So what's up, tech lovers people? So far we have discussed about get and post, and in this lecture we are going to learn about HTML injection. So first we will discuss about HTML injection reflected get, and our current level is low. And that means we are not using any type of security inside these websites. So let's type Tarek working. Okay, this is working. Okay, let's inject our code. So Tarek. Okay, and here I want to share another one. It's called bold. Shit, I'm going to change my value. Tarek hacked. Okay, let's press. Wow, now it is working. Yeah, as you can see, our last result and this result is different. Okay, so this is HTML vulnerability. Actually, this is HTML vulnerability.